Welcome to Jurusearch Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss the latest development in CLAT PG examination. We have two important news in this front. First is the announcement of dates for CLAT PG 2022 examination, and not just for 2022, but we have some important news for 2023 aspirants as well. Now, this may come as some shocking news, but we would still suggest to wait for more information to be out before panicking. So let's start this video and see what are the important changes and how you need to prepare for them. So firstly and very importantly, something that is being waited for the longest time, that is the dates for the 2022 examination have been released. So CLAT PG is going to be held on 8th May 2022. That is the second Sunday of May. Now this was expected news because if all goes well, if there is no complications related to COVID, the exam is to be held on the second Sunday of Monday as it used to be in the previous years. So this is expected news, but still we need to wait for more information with respect to when the applications will commence and what will be the pattern and syllabus, and if there are going to be any changes in that regard or not. So the expected timeline for 2022 could be that the applications will start from January 2022 till March 2022, and the exam will be held on 8th May 2022. Now, this is of course subject to any restrictions that may happen due to COVID, but this seems to be the tentative timeline for the 2022 examination. Now we need to understand the pattern for this exam. So in the previous 2 years, that is in 2020 and 2021, due to COVID, subjective part was not included, but this year there is a very strong probability that the exam pattern will be 100 objective type questions carrying 1 mark each with 0.25 negative marking, and 2 subjective questions of 25 marks each. So if all goes well, this will be your pattern and you will have 2 hours to attempt this paper. Now coming on to the syllabus for 2022 examination, the syllabus has also been widened. This was done 2 years back, so there are no changes here. The pattern and the syllabus are expected to be the same. The syllabus will be constitutional law, jurisprudence, administrative law, contracts, torts, family law, criminal law including IPC, CRPC, evidence law, property law, company law, PIL, tax, environmental law, and labor laws. Now, there are very less chances of any changes happening here because the syllabus is very wide already. So, the chances of any surprising thing happening here are very minimum. So now we need to see what we need to focus on for the 2022 examination. So apart from the general advice that we give that you need to have very strong basics and very strong hold of the subjects itself, we would advise you to focus on your ability to read comprehension passages, because it is still unsure as to how many comprehension passages can be asked. So the paper may become very lengthy. So you need to focus on your ability to speed reading. Second is up-to-date knowledge of landmark as well as recent case laws. And this is very important because the landmark and the recent case laws will determine what kind of comprehension passages you will get. Third is clarity of concepts of important subjects like constitutional law, criminal law, jurisprudence, PIL, family law, and administrative law. Lastly, if the subjective part is included, the chances of which are very high, you will also need to have very strong answer writing skills, because this will determine how well you score in the examination, and this can also prove as a substantial edge over the other candidates. Now we come to the shocking part, that is the special news for CLAT PG 2023 aspirants. Now nobody has expected at this stage that we will get to hear any information regarding 2023 examination, but here we are, and we have some news for them as well. So the CLAT PG 2023 exam is to be held tentatively on 18th December 2022, that is the third Sunday of December. Now, the 2023 examination generally should happen in the year 2023, most likely in the month of May. But CLAT Consortium has resolved to hold 2 CLATs in 1 year. And this is something which is not only shocking but is also happening for the first time. So the expected timeline for 2023 is something that nobody knows at this stage, because this is literally the first time this is happening. So we need to wait for more information regarding the timeline. But having said that, the timeline may very well only be released after the 2022 examination has already been held or in the later stages of 2022. So let's wait for more information before jumping on to conclusions and see how that happens. But having said that, what should you do if you are preparing for 2023? Firstly, and very importantly, wait for more details because we don't know at this stage why it is happening in 2023, what is the agenda behind it, and what are the other areas that you should focus on. Second, even though you do not know the details right now, but since you know the date of the examination, you need to start preparing right away. So, if you're somebody who was planning on appearing in 2023, it's best to start now. Thirdly, and this is something which we would advise to all CLAT aspirants of the future as well, expect more changes. So brace yourself, prepare for the worst, and start with your preparation. If you want any personal guidance with respect to how to appear and how to prepare for either 2022 or 2023, please check out the details in the comment section. And if you have any questions for us, you can leave them there as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.